Bihar Assembly elections is underway with over 3.7 crore voters set to decide the electoral fate of 1,302 candidates across 122 constituencies. By 11 a.m., a voter turnout of 31.38% was recorded as polling picked up pace in key regions of Magad, Champaran and Seemanchal areas, widely seen as decisive in shaping the state's political outcome. The first phase, held on the 6th of November, witnessed an impressive 65.08% turnout, setting high expectations for participation in this round as well. Polling today is being conducted in West Champaran, East Champaran, Sitamarhi, Madhubani, Supaul, Araria and Kishanganj districts that share borders with Nepal. The contest has emerged as a high-stakes battle between the ruling NDA and the resurgent Mahagathbandhan, with both alliances eyeing critical gains ahead of the final phase. Results of all phases of the Bihar Assembly elections will be announced on the 14th of November. Meanwhile, in light of the blast near Delhi's Red Fort yesterday, authorities in Bihar have placed the state on high alert. Security has been tightened across all districts in Bihar as well.
We have with us Prashant Kishore, who is going to vote. Sir, anything and one message that you want to give to the voters today, sir?
Break the record of the first round.
Yes, sir.
Poll more than 65% vote. Vote for the change. Vote for the better Bihar.
Prashant, sir, I have been on the ground. People are talking about Jan Swaraj. We see massive support. But can that be converted into seats, sir? How do you see this?
You will see on 14th. The history will be written in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
And India will be witness to that history making.
So that was Prashant Kishore going to cast his vote and clearly saying that history will be created on 14th. So that is the confidence that Prashant Kishore has. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will pan out on 14th. With video journalist Mukesh Mohit Bhatt for Times Now in Kargar.
Quick break with that. Our coverage continues on the other side as well.